Welcome everyone, this is Grant Gould at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. You guys wanted luxury? Well, here it is. I'm bringing it to you today. This is the 346 FLS one and only Grand Design Solitude. Guys, there is so much I can tell you about this unit, but we got to keep it simple for the life of this video. But on the outside, fiberglass, aluminum frame, double awnings on the exterior. They have the smart arms, you can pull them down. Coming to the back, guys, you will not believe the amount of storage. Not only do you have a pass-through storage up front, but look at the magnitude of the storage in the back. 5 bay doors with the pull-out sliding tray, fishing poles, kayaks, grills, everything you need can fit right in the back of this unit. This is for full time, guys, or even if you're doing it every other weekend. This is perfect for you and the family for any kind of trip that you're looking to take. Your steps, they're spring-loaded. They'll lift into the air with no issues at all. You have the central vacuum system. You want to get your mind blown? Look at this interior. Instantly walk into this beautiful kitchen. Double-sided fridge. It is a Samsung Smart fridge. It does have the ice maker in the bottom, tons of storage. You have the pantry, pull-out doors in all of the areas of this coach, pull-out drawers, all real wood. Grand Design uses real materials. Here's that beautiful, luxurious residential style oven with 4 top burners with the huge microwave. Nice little convenient island in the middle. Double-sided sink with the 4 chairs and a table. But let's get even crazier. Look at this front living upstairs. You have the double couches that turn into beds, double recliners with plugs and USB ports on both sides. The TV drops down or lifts up. That way you have limited space to space it all out. Your area here, you have Rockford Fosgate sound system with indoor-outdoor surround sound with the fireplace that has electric heat that will save you tons of money on propane. Yeah, this is magnificent, but let's go to the master bedroom area. So coming instantly to our right, you have the one-piece fiberglass shower with 4 shower heads. I said that right. 4 shower heads with a seat, real porcelain toilet, a stainless steel sink. Beautiful master bedroom with the king size bed on the slide out. Got hiding spots here for money, guns, anything you have like that, it will fit there with no issues at all. Washer and dryer hookups in here with your own closet over here with tons of drawers on 50-pound ball bearing drawer glides, guys. This will hold everything you have and everything you need. This is all you need. But yeah, this is very impressive. But let me blow your mind a little bit even further. So coming in to the red tag, rock bottom discount sale price right now. This thing goes for $131,522. That's $131,000, guys. We are knocking $36,000 off of this unit. Nobody else is doing this. $36,527 off of the sale price of this unit. $94,995 for this Solitude 346 FLS. It does not get any better. Y'all quit wasting time. Get in here today. I'm at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, 1800 Barksdale Boulevard, Bossier City, Louisiana. I'm Grant Gould. I can't wait to meet you guys, and I hope y'all come in soon. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. See y'all, guys.